Baby.
What?
I see your butt cheeks.
Sorry, I forgot about that.
Remember, I gotta
You're trying to immerse?
immerse myself.
Immerse, baby. Look at my butt cheeks. Look at them. They're my butt cheeks.
Your butt looks really good, though. They're like...
Thank you.
They were like very... You could tell... You could tell they were very firm cheeks. Firm, lifted cheeks. Like a shelf.
Like a
Okay, so what are we playing?
Stray.
Stray. You got the orange cat. Oh, that's cute. Oh, shit. He's on his back.
How you doing, baby boy?
Ooh, getting some kisses. Kisses. Take a nap, buddy. You deserve it. Why did you think I was talking to you? You also deserve a nap, buddy. Butterfly! Oh, wow.
Imagine having ears with muscles you could control.
There are some people that can control their ears. They can wiggle them.
I can't. I was just doing my job pretty much. He can do his ears. Yes, he can. Yes, he can.
His little paw on my chest. No. We're going on a venture.
We're exploring.
We're exploring. We're going exploring. Inside the wall.
The wall. Not a wall. The wall.
The wall.
That must mean something. Come on, guys.
He looks so cute when he jumps.
That little waddle. Where are my cat friends? Oh, they're behind the ways. Do you have a good cat, Meow?
I have a great cat, Meow.
Look at that butt.
Oh, butter. Oh, my boy.
Cutscene.
Oh, gosh, is he gonna make it?
No!
No! Come on, little guy, hold on!
Does he die? No,
No.
fucking way.
And he can't die, it's the beginning of the game.
What if he plays a different cat?
Mm. Oh no, buddy. That's like a kitten. Oh, he's limping.
No. What is this?
Oh,
No! He does die!
there's no way.
Oh, that's so sad.
Are you comfy, buddy? Are you comfy, my boy? You want to get down or are you okay?
Here we go.
Oh, he's fine now.
Oh my god, it's the same cat, and we're underground. I can go under here, so it's the first place I'm going. Dead City. Who is y'all bitches?
What are those?
And where did they go? There is no exit. I'm doing a lot of jumping for a cat that just broke his leg.
Yeah, he's totally healed now. He's fine. He's chilling.
I'm just following there really seems like there's only one direction you can go in anyway.
Wait, what's the... Can you see that?
No, where?
Up top? help. Maybe you should go that way.
Open window.
Oh, you gotta get the thing.
Window. How do I get by this? Oh, is it this?
Yeah.
'Twas these.
Look at. Look at.
That's what I wanted to see. Thank God.
Oh shit.
Oh, whoa. Why am I doing this? It's just because I'm a cat I felt the urge? I think so.
I think one of them does something, right? Oh, it's that one. How do you get across?
How the fuck is that jump makeable? Ah, I understand. I understand. Where the fuck am I? There we go.
Yeah,
Cute.
get some of that dirty ass water. Oh, the bucket.
No way.
Look at that bucket.
This I've seen this on like TV shows and videos. Cats coming and going with buckets.
Yeah. Oh shit.
What is this?
There's those things again.
Oh, it was there.
Take Bootsy. We gotta swap. Take Bootsy. Swap. Oh, don't. Mwah. Hey, baby. Okay. What do you want to come up here?
You don't see this?
I do see. He's the cutie boy. He's the cutest boy in the whole wide world.
Don't get caught, baby. Come on.
Shit.
Hold the right trigger. Go. Ah, good. To the right. B, yes, good stuff. Nice. You gotta go straight. Don't turn that hard. Ah! Nice, B.
Oh shit! I ran into the wall! Oh no.
Thank God those were light.
Oh.
Baby!
Yes! Oh no!
You got it. We're gonna do as many times as it takes. You're getting by this round. Now this
So
will
you
help
can
you.
die with this.
Yes, Pat, you baby. You have to pay attention.
He got me again?
Yes, you give me the drink. Give me the drink. You have to pay attention, baby. They killed you so easily this time. Hold RT. Right trigger. Hold it and go. Hold it and go. B. Baby, you are supposed to repeatedly press B, not hold it. I know you see
not
it.
good at this
I know
shit.
you see it on the screen going up and down. That means something. And you can. You see how it's saying to press B, right? Boom. Thank you. And don't let go of the trigger when you're doing that. Otherwise, you're gonna stop sprinting and they'll catch you. Nice. Get him off you. Get him off you. Boom. B. Okay. Baby, look at where you're going. Ah! Come on. Up. Okay, wait. Keep. What was there? Up the stairs! Look, stop, look, for a second. for a second.
I think I know why I'm bad at video games. Because I like go into Firefly and I'm like, ah!
You need to stop looking down to press the button. You only need to think about 3 things. This, and this. Your thumb should never move off this button. So if you get jumped on, you should never look down to make sure your thumb is still on the button, that it hasn't left. You just press it. You just press it like this.
Okay. Ooh.
Pass me the...
What? This guy right here?
Yes, the illegal substances.
Okay. Okay, Hobbit.
Good shit. Boom. Now look down. You can see where you're going. Aim, look for the doorway. Perfect. Don't look at them right in front of you. It's like driving. You don't look at the road ahead of you. You look at the road ahead of you, not in front of you.
Okay.
Boom. There we go. Make
That's great advice, baby.
Oh, you're good. Okay, you still can't just run into shit.
I know. I told you I'm really bad at this
We're
shit.
gonna get past it. That's what we got.
Buddy, how you doing over there? My big booty boy! Oh gosh. I gotta run.
Practice on your movement here. Like don't overcorrect when you do it. You should never move that thumb. It should always be on B.
Hey, hey. Get off of me, you little creeps!
Come on. Why
are they chasing me?
Yes, B. Hit him with the B.
No.
You turned around. You literally went in a circle to let them catch up to you. I need to show you something. Okay, look at this. You're doing this. You're like scrunching your hand up because it doesn't reach or some shit. Look. Your thumb is in the center.
Yeah.
And you just push it forward. You see this? It's forward, right? And then if I want to turn, all I'm doing is as it's pushed forward, you just, look. You see this? You don't go left and right. You're forward, and then you're angled. Diagonal. Straight, diagonal left. Straight, diagonal right. Straight. Like, you're doing a lot of this. Like, that's what you're doing here. You're like, oh god, what? And you're like overcorrecting like fuck, and then you, wait a minute, me, yeah, watch this, it was easy.
No!
You wanna see some crazy shit?
What? You're dead. Oh shit. You're dead.
I just wanted to see what happened going back.
Wait, we went backwards?
Yeah, I turned around.
Oh, they're back.
Oh no, that's what happens. Oh no, that's what happens! There's nowhere to go. Remember, look at where you're going, not at what's directly in front of you.
Do I have to keep pressure on this the whole time?
Yes, it will. You will not move unless you're pushing it forward. And relax a little bit, like you're gripping it. It's not supposed to hurt your hands. B!
Ah!
Keep it. Try to keep it steady. Try to keep it stationary. Bee! I don't even know I done it. What happened? Come on, you got it. Whatever.
I'm so uncoordinated, baby.
No. You're coordinated.
I'm
You're
coordinated.
gonna get it right now. You're coordinated.
No!
Boom, you're gonna tilt to the right. Boom, you're good. Keep it straight, right. Dodge. Good stuff.
Dodge,
Go straight.
dodge.
Right into that doorway. Easy peasy. Straight through. Don't even bother. Straight through. Straight through. Don't even look. Don't even look. Straight up. You're going up to the left. Perfect. You see at the end of this hallway? Okay, boom. At the end of this hallway, you're gonna go boom. Do this. Nope. Yep. Nope. That's backwards. There we go. Boom. Go left. Boom. Up this way up the stairs. Come on. B. Ignore them. Go straight through the left. Straight. Yeah. Up.
Up the stairs.
Up. Stairs. Boom.
Oh, there's so many.
B. You need to stop letting go of the trigger. You can press this. Look.
This is why it was better piano.
Look. You see how this is down? Right? You can press this while it's down. You don't have to let go of this.
I know.
You know what I mean?
Right.
So don't start walking and let them kill you.
I will do this. I will do this.
Absolutely.
Okay. Oh gosh. Get away from me, bitches. Get away from me. Get away.
B, good stuff. Good stuff. If you can't see, I'm covering the controller so she can't look now. Yeah, straight through. Easy peasy. Don't even look at them. Don't even look at B! Boom. Up the stairs, straight up. Head to the light. Head to the light. Perfect. Here we go. To the left, out the door. Easy. Up the stairs. Nothing. It's nothing. B! One time. B 2 times. Up. Straighten out.
Straighten it
To the
out.
left, perfect. Beat, up, perfect. Come on, straight through. Ignore him. Beat. Okay, go up the stairs. We're going up these stairs, baby. Come on. Why are you turning into walls? Stop the motion. You need to keep moving.
I'm too high for this.
This is exactly how high you should be for this exact thing.
I do. I get so much tension.
Just relax and run. You're just a cat. You're going.
I'm just a cat. Just a
Right.
cat.
Easy peasy. Boom. Walk right over them. There's
Just a
nothing.
fucking cat.
You see that? It's so light. It's so light right now. Chill out. It's tension.
Oh yeah.
It's tension. Don't add tension.
Don't have the tension.
Easy. Alright, you see? Now we're gonna go straight to that light.
We're going straight to the light.
We're exploring.
Straight to the light. We're going exploring.
To the left.
Ooh, I hit the wall.
Nice.
I hit
Straight
this
now.
wall.
B.
Baby.
Go out of it. Straight now. Perfect. Straight now. Don't stop running. To the left. Bomb. Up. Bomb. Up. Not to the wall. Perfect. No tension, baby.
No tension.
Perfect.
No
You're
tension.
good. You're good. Don't worry about it.
Up the stairs. Up the stairs.
Don't hit the wall, son.
Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Up the stairs.
Perfect. Keep going.
Up the
Keep going.
stairs, up
Over.
the stairs.
Press A. Press B. Press B. It is telling you on the. Relax. Relax. It is telling you on the screen that you need to press
I
the button.
know.
Go, butter.
It looks so pretty out there.
Yeah. Go, butter. He's all closed out. That was the end right there.
I know, right now, Lars.
Stop looking at it. Easy work. Good straight lines. Good straight lines. Good straight lines, huh? Like a mathematician with these straight lines. Hit the, yes, there we go. Off. Get off of me, if you will. Perfect. That's, yes, good stuff. Once again, good stuff. Once again, good stuff! Here we go. Boom. 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 Up. There we go. Not into the wall. You're into the wall still. Boom. Hit the B, 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 hit the B. There you go. Up, up, up. You have to control yourself while they're on you. You can't just start trying to hit B and then this is what happens to your hand. You're like what? Just hit B. Nothing else needs to move here.
I put so much. It hurts.
Why? Let me show me you holding it. Okay. Put it on there, right? Slide your hand back a little bit. So it's like this. Whatever this part is, the nipple of your thumb. The nipple of your thumb.
The nipple of your
You know what I'm talking about though, right? Like there's a...
Yeah, see, I guess there's
Put the nipple
a tiny little nip.
right on the center. Boom, the nipple. You go... I hate that I can hear them eat us. You're gonna put the nipple right in the center. Why's your thumb cocked? This is not the nipple of your thumb. Let's get it. You got it. You were almost there once. We got it. We got it. Easy peasy. There we go. There we go. Just leave that thumb on the button. Oh, that's why you're not doing it. Your other hand is fucked up too. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're not running into a wall. There we go. Yep. No, yep. Yep. Okay, great. Boom. Easy. Right. Left. Straight. Straight, straight out. Up to the stairs. There we go. Here we go. Press A, press A, press A. Yes!
Ow, this fucking thing hurts my ear. Ow. This thing's too big for my tiny little ear, my dainty little ear, baby.
That's literally the smallest size.
Am I shoving it in there too far?
Probably.
Maybe I am. I might have been shoving in there too hard.